Hello. This is Lou Vanetti reporting live from KJRX. I don't know if anyone out there can hear me or not. Only hours remain before Earth's magnetic field declines to zero. And as most of you know by now, once that occurs, solar radiation will destroy the atmosphere. And God be with us all.
Turn the car off. I think it's gone. Start the car.
We'll have to go back.
Get out of the car now!
Flights across the globe have been grounded for 24 hours as the comet Copernicus passes Earth. This will be the largest celestial object in recorded history to pass this close and is expected to create a global electromagnetic disturbance. When the comet was first discovered 6 months ago, initial speculation...
Good morning. Hey, Miss Penny.
Hey, Sid. Zoe, that's Cynthia's ordering a fridge opener.
So I'm taking the science club on a field trip to watch the comet.
I heard. That's very brave of you.
You're coming along too, right, Zoe? Yep. Dad is letting me off work early so I can come. Right, Dad?
I suppose.
Next up, to discuss what unforeseen dangers we may be facing, we are joined now via satellite by our own Dr. James Mayfield.
Hey, look what's on TV.
Now, Doctor, can you explain why you believe it's possible that the comet could hit us when almost everyone else has predicted it will simply pass us by?
Wait a minute, Lou. All I said was that you can't rule it out. I mean, look, having just passed the sun, gases in the comet's icy core will be heating up like a hot spring that could affect the comet's speed and trajectory in ways that we just can't predict.
Fascinating. Now, I understand the Storm Hazards Department has sent you to northern Alaska to observe the comet's swing by.
That's right. We'll be just inside the Arctic Circle, where the comet is expected to pass over its orbital fulcrum, meaning the closest that will be to Earth. It's a very exciting opportunity for us to observe geomagnetic anomalies in the Earth's magnetic field.
Thank you, Doctor. That was local hero astrophysicist Dr. James Mayfield via satellite from Alaska.